And we're back in the shed again. But not for long, because later on we're gonna go see some street drifting. Legal street drifting. But before we go do that, we have to sort out some things with our cars here. So let's just get started, shall we? Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending when you're watching this video. Here we are, Adam, back at it again.
We're back. The shed is freezing, there's cars everywhere, and it's absolutely class.
So, just before we get into the exciting stuff that's happening later on, we're just going to give you a quick update on the piles of
Metal in front of you.
Yeah.
And carbon fiber.
So, quick rundown on what's happening in the channel and what we're going to get up to. So, the Corvette. Similar to my MX-5, the wrap's going to come off here for a new redesign and re-look. My Mark 1 MX-5 or Bash car or the indestructible car
Has been bashed.
It has been bashed. This needs a lot.
If you look at it dead on, it looks like it's had a bit of a stroke. It's not good. And then but the main issue with the car is this engine was well maintained by Josh in its ownership.
Where later on we're going to do a compression test on this and see what's going on.
Because there's lots of stuff not happening inside. So, red S14 directly above me. Engine. Soon to be out. To be replaced with who knows what. But one bit that is changing, very much so today, are the wheels. A little bit of a refresh, a little bit of an update.
Where we go? Refresh. We're going on a little bit of travels. We're taking these to TH wheel repairs. This is going a different colour. Also, on our travels, we have the most expensive
Ganadors.
I don't get the hype, if I'm going to be completely honest. They're just mirrors.
For some particular reason, and I've no idea, I don't even know what Ganador is. It a brand name? Who knows? Who knows? These are horrifically expensive.
These are about €1,000.
Yes, and they're going on the S14. But as you can see, they are grey, so we need to drop them off.
That's red. What colour do you think they're going?
Oh god, that's very expensive.
So along with these, as you can see, it has a white bonnet, which, can you guess?
It's going carbon fibre. No, it's not. It's getting painted.
So we're going to be taking a trip down to O'Neill Autobody and we're going to be getting him to paint those. Moving on to the last car. We've had this package far too long now.
And
Adam, do the honours.
If you hear it stinks in
What on earth did you fart in that?
Oh god, absolutely stinks in there.
Let's give it a bit of a shake. There we go. Hey!
What do we get?
And look what you did! Safety first.
Do it the eyes closed up.
Put your safety goggles on. We'll get it out.
Get it out, son!
Anybody that has worked with fiberglass knows that it pretty much falls onto the car. I can only imagine, where did we get this from?
Somewhere reputable and good, and it's definitely going to fit straight on.
Here we go.
Offer it up.
It's not the worst.
I assume it sits there, because that's where the gap in the bumper is.
So you can't get a proper picture of how this actually looks, but makes it look like there's a bit more going on in the rear because this bumper is pretty boring. So we're going to be dropping that off with Joey as well to get them painted with Joey. And one more thing we have for this car. Safety goggles. There we go. It is
A roof spoiler for the convertible.
boot spoiler, Adam.
It's a nice touch that it's Mazda kind of.
I don't think it's genuine Mazda part.
I wouldn't say so.
Got little rib nuts in to actually go in properly. Yeah. Oh my god.
Quality.
And
Actually looks really good. Actually fits way better than the Spot.
apart from, it has a rear brake light in the middle. That's
a hole for a rear brake light.
There is no rear brake light. Should we get that bit smoothed in? Joey will love us for that. He will love being asked to do that. This is actually the nicest fitting fiberglass part we've ever had. So, I think it's time to get all this stuff loaded into the van so we can start our travels before we go see the legal street drifting. As you probably already know, we run Link products on everything we can possibly run them on. We're happy to announce that Link have come on board again this year to support us. As you know, Link ECU is all about reliability. From our drift cars, all the way through to our road cars. This year they've released lots of new exciting products and we can't wait to fit them on our car. Including one of Link's newest products, the Razor PDM, which replaces all the fuses in the car, making it that bit more reliable. So thank you to Link ECU for supporting us and keeping us reliable on track. Really, Adam?
Protect the goods. Nobody has just blocked up the entire place.
Obviously 60 exactly on there.
60 exactly.
60 exactly. And fuel for me. Let's see how Adam got on. 60 on the dot.
60% of the time, I hit it all the time.
So this only really applies to the Irish audience. With a chicken fillet roll, what are your favourite ingredients? In mine, I have lovely sliced chicken fillet, lettuce, sweet corn, and onion, which for me, I think is the perfect recipe. What's yours, Adam?
You're an absolute animal on sweet corn. Like, what the hell is that?
Sweet corn goes in everything.
Lettuce, red onion, butter, and then the absolute dirtiest chicken fillet. Like it's scalded from the sun.
Any sauce?
No.
Sauce. All about the taco sauce, all the mayonnaise. I only put mayonnaise in this one because they didn't have any taco sauce. And if you don't live in Ireland, chicken fillet rolls are absolutely amazing. Very tasty RX-7 FD. Yep, that's how you do it. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! There's a whole petting farm there.
They're the guard dogs.
Joey,
How are you?
sorry again to drop over mess, I would say.
It's alright. I'm getting fairly used to it now at this stage, I think.
I was going to say, last time we dropped over the Verosa front bumper.
Yeah, I'm still picking fiberglass off my nails from that one. And Jimmy didn't wreck them, which was nice of him, so...
The side skirts of... Another day, Joey, another day.
Kept that quiet.
Right, we're going to love you and leave you, and see you in a couple of weeks.
Super.
Ooh, it's cold. On to the next location though. Hello there, Pally.
Hello.
I brought you some more misery with split rims.
Split rims, as always.
They're not the easiest rims to, well, powder coat. I believe these are going silver?
So, yeah. Well, trying to get them as silvery as chrome, as close to the chrome in the centre as possible.
So for those of you that don't know, Pally stopped doing fiberglass a little bit ago, and it's
not going well.
It's not gone too well because
You've started again.
You can't stay away from the fiberglass.
when we first started coming down here, this has got a whole lot fancier, hasn't it?
Yeah, it is a little bit like we bought the new machinery and everything, like new powder coating boots and ovens and everything.
It's like in diamond cut.
That's the diamond cut CNC machine, yeah. You go in there, that's the spray boot, that's the oven where we make the wheels.
Oh, that's what I need on a day like today. This makes up for no heating in the
If you want
back.
to stay inside, I can close the doors and put the temperature on.
Lots and lots and lots of fiberglass. And I can see here, is this what we asked for last time?
These are the canards for the Verosa.
For the project. For the big project.
The ugly one that Jimmy smashed at the bash.
So here we go. Right, we're going to love you and leave you.
Right.
Goodbye.
Good luck. Goodbye. See you next week.
And now off to Dublin.
Do some legal drifting on the streets and F1 cars.
So, We are down here at the Red Bull Showrun
in Dublin city centre. As you see, literally you have the convention centre behind us, we have the main streets of Dublin all beside us for F1 cars.
So we have some exclusive. I'm not sure we should be in here actually.
Well, actually, Conor did get access denied to get into his own car a few minutes ago.
We definitely should be here, but we've snuck in and we've got a bit of behind the scenes access for you guys.
It's been mad. It's been mad to see an F1 cars and soon to be Conor Shanahan sliding up and down the main streets.
We're here for the drifting now.
I'm only here to see Scotland. It's only when the F1 car does a bit of Scotland.
Yeah, so yeah, obviously we're here at the Formula 1 showrun in Dublin, which is quite cool. Obviously getting to drive at home is special, but getting to drive in an event like this is even cooler, so I'm excited for it.
You're downplaying this so much, like you're drifting on the streets and everything. It's going to be fairly cool.
Of a capital city, like.
Alright, lads, alright, okay, I can't get too excited about it. I haven't drove yet. It's so nerve-wracking driving here because you have thousands of people behind one railing and you're flat out.
Hang on a second, so this is the safety.
It's like, it's scary as a driver, but for me it's rewarding when you put on a good show, so I'm not going to go out there and tip around the place because I feel like I want to showcase drifting as best I can anytime I get to do a show like this. So you have to push it on in the first run and hope everything goes to plan, basically. I need to walk the track now and there's some big manholes on the road, so I'm afraid of a DV while top of fourth gear.
It's the top of fourth gear, so you're going to be tipping a lot.
The keys I was fourth, fifth gear up through up on the fast section.
no pressure.
When you see us on the side, you have to absolutely give it. Give it the beans.
You'll be in this area, so I'll do a big send in here.
Yeah.
Definitely throw the scan out the window. They'll love it. The Irish fans will love it.
I'm not a fan of the scan, love.
Right, just leave it at that. We'll just go home.
Right, okay, we found a wild David Coulthard with the 2012, I think, Red Bull F1 car.
We can't go past we haven't quite got those bands.
We have
yet.
heard he's a big fan of the channel, like big fan. He actually doesn't want to come to us. He doesn't want to make it too awkward. So
this is the F1. This is the F1 era before the noise regulations. This is the V8 one. Isn't
we were
it?
told it's 2012, the one that Sebastian Vettel drove. So it's pre all the noise restrictions and stuff. So I'd say it's going to be pretty wild. We've been told by a lot of people that we're going to need earplugs for this. So here you go. Wait. Adam doesn't have them though, so he won't.
Yeah, he was here a little bit later, and we haven't told him how loud it is, so it'd be a surprise to him. I will say, of all the media rooms that we've been in, this is by far the fanciest I've been.
I've been to F1 circuits before, and this is pretty swanky compared to an F1 circuit.
The fanciest hotels in Dublin, in the basement, getting fed chicken, or what was it, garlic bread.
Free goodies.
Got free stuff.
It looks like he robbed it, but I got a mug. I got a tea mug.
If anybody knows Josh, they know how much he likes tea, so that's a big deal.
They've even got a tea station, so this is gonna be fuel.
Big day for Josh.
Fanciest snacks as well, honestly.
Meanwhile,
Usually we just get crisp sandwiches at our events.
I don't usually eat at events. I usually eat on the Monday. That's what I eat after an event.
Go and get some salami on this. Slap it on. Whichever way you look at it, it's very sketchy there.
It's like they're doing loops through the town with the lads.
Bit of smoke towards the end anyways. I reckon it's fairly hot.
This is going to be the loudest, most expensive rings anybody has ever done in Ireland, and it's class.
I forgot to put my earplugs in. Now I regret it.
Gee, that is the f***ing loudest car I've ever heard, ever.
I wouldn't know, I've got earplugs in.
Genuinely taking it as for an experience, it hits in the chest and your ears.
You can hear it on the chest.
Holy crap.
The high pitchness. Ah, that hurts.
There's two things to take away from this. One, they use Mobile One, and two, it's not tough time.
We have two sponsors the same as an F1 team.
We are practically the same. We are F1.
Apart from every little single bit of it. So I think that is a wrap from the Red Bull Showrun. It's a
Absolutely.
pretty intense few hours.
Like the noise of the F1. Like I guess I know we were chatting there, and you're saying, everybody says, bring back the noise of F1, and then you experience it. And go, bring back the noise of F1. Like it's just it punches your chest.
Woo! That was sketch.
Yeah, it was good fun though. I enjoyed it.
I was scared for you, man.
No, I was not.
Were you in control?
I was, yeah. But at the same time, in the back of your mind, every time you drift, you're like, oh, this could go wrong, this could go wrong.
You were going fast.
There's one where you were fair close to the barrier and we thought you were
There's a
in.
couple I've realised, and I was like, holy shit, I was like, I nearly crashed badly. So I was like, but that's the exciting part about it. And I think everybody, my phone has already blew up, and that's the important thing for these kind of events, is that you showcase the sport, what we love, drifting. So
Well, I won't say it out loud, but I think you stole the show.
I wouldn't go that far, but we would. I'm no person to praise myself up, but thank you. I appreciate it. I'll go on your word for it.
So, unfortunately, that's all we have time for in this episode. Lots of things happening in the background of Drift Games here. That's why Dave's not been in the videos as much. He's doing a lot of the planning for 2023. But what do you guys want to see? Do you want to see more builds? Do you want to see us do more traveling and stuff on the road? Episodes like this? Let us know in the comments below. But until then, we'll see you in the next one.